Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Orientation in aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Having substituents with unshared electron pair such as OH group, NH2 group that may be halogen, but the effect varies with different substituents. Here Z is an electron donating group having a negative charge. When electrophilic attack of Y positive takes place at ortho position to the Z already present substituent on the aromatic ring. Here are the resonance contributing structures. The positive charge resonance contributing structure shows that positive charge is at the carbon atom Z directly bonded to the carbon atom having a positive charge. That would be at para position to the substituent here and ortho position to the substituent. When attack takes place at meta position, these are the resonance contributing structures. Here no contributing structure is present with positive charge on the carbon atom directly bonded to the Z substituent. Z is an electron pair having substituent. When attack takes place at para position, these are the resonance contributing structures. And here one contributing structure have positive charge on the carbon atom directly bonded to Z. For attack at ortho position, one of the resonance contributing structure is that in which positive charge is on the Z substituent having a lone pair of electron which is shifted towards the aromatic ring, and this structure has complete octet of all carbon atoms. Similarly, attack at para position also has a contributing structure having complete octet of all carbon atoms in the intermediate state, but no other structure has all of these structures have complete octet, but any one, say this, in this structure this, in this structure this, any one carbon atom has less than 8 electrons, that is 6 electrons in their valence. These are the substituent having a lone pair of electrons. Here N, NHR, NH2, hydroxyl group, OR group, NHCOR group. All of these are the substituent with a lone pair of electron. Resonance effect predicts that these groups to be ortho and para directing, as we have seen already. All except O negative are electron withdrawing by field effect. All of these are electron withdrawing by field effect, not by resonance effect. O negative having a negative charge is also electron donating here. For these groups, resonance is more effective than the field effect. Through resonance, electron is donated at ortho and para position of the substituent. Oxygen and nitrogen can share lone pair of electrons to form a new pi bond. Ortho and para orientation of NH2 group is accounted for by contributing structures shown in the next slide. These are the resonance contributing structures for attack at ortho position to the amino group. Here is the molecule of aniline, and aniline attack at the ortho position of the alanine amino group, and here is the attack at the para position. In both these structures, lone pair of nitrogen participates in the stabilization of intermediate. These are the resonance contributing structures shown for attack of an electrophile in phenol molecule. This is the attack at ortho position, resonance contributing structure. Here, this resonance contributing structure has positive charge on the carbon atom adjacent to OH group, and this is the attack at meta position. Here, OH group is not participating in the resonance stabilization, but at attack at ortho position, here it participates in the stabilization of the ring. These are the contributing structures for attack at para position. Here, OH group also takes part in the stabilization of the molecule intermediate. Here we can see in this structure positive charge is on a carbon atom which is directly bonded to the OH group, and further shifting of this lone pair of electron towards the ring gives a resonance contributing structure, this one, and therefore there are more resonance contributing structures for stabilization of intermediate. So attack takes place easily at ortho and para positions of phenol. However, the case is different for halogens, as electronegativity of most of the halogens is more than carbon. Therefore, they shows inductive effect on the aromatic ring, which deactivates the benzene ring, and its overall activity is lessened. But lone pair activates it at ortho and para positions. So we may say that halogens deactivate the ring through inductive effect, but direct substituent to ortho and para position because of the unshared pair of electrons on X halogen. Unshared electron pair of X can be delocalized to the ring by extended pi bonding. This is possible only in attack at ortho and para positions, not at meta position. Halogen cannot exert its stabilization influence on the intermediate when meta position is attacked. Here we can see the attack at first ortho position, where positive charge is on carbon atom directly bonded to halogen atom. Although other resonance contributing structures are as such, but here lone pair of halogen contributes towards the benzene ring, and an additional resonance contributing structure is formed which have positive charge on halogen atom, and thus halogen atom also stabilize the attack at ortho position. Same is the case with attack at para position. Here also, when attack takes place at para position, one of the resonance contributor structure is this one, and in this structure, lone pair of electron is of halogen is shifted towards the aromatic ring, and positive charge in one of the resonance contributor structure is on the halogen atom, which also stabilize the intermediate. But this is not the case. This stabilization is not developed when attack at meta position. Here, no resonance contributor structure when attack is at meta position having positive charge adjacent to the carbon atom and adjacent to the halogen atom. Therefore, it does not take part, halogen lone pair of electrons does not take part in stabilization of the intermediate formed when attack takes place at meta position. When an alkyl group is present on the aromatic ring, push the electron density, alkyl group say methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl density into the benzene ring, increasing the nucleophilicity of the ring. It stabilizes the carbocation intermediate, are activating and are ortho and para-directing. Stabilizes a neighboring group positive charge more strongly by an inductive effect. Positive inductive effect means electron donating effect. Carbocation resulting from attack at meta position is not more stable. In case of attack at alpha and para position, positive charge is on carbon near to alkyl group. These are the structures shown for attack at. You can imagine easily that the conditions are same for all type of substituents. Here positive charges on the carbon atom directly bonded to alkyl group, and same is the case with attack at para position, but no such resonance stabilization shows the positive charge on carbon atom directly bonded to alkyl group. So in this case, attack would take place at ortho and para position.